Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and let's turn to poll-bound West Bengal. The high-pitched battle for Bengal is now being fought over vaccines. In a stinging attack, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accused the centre of denying vaccines to the people of Bengal. Ironically, this charge was levelled by Didi in a political rally and not at the Prime Minister's COVID review meeting with all chief ministers of the country, where Mamata Banerjee had been personally invited, which she skipped. However, does her accusation even stand the test of facts? The Health Ministry has countered Didi by saying that out of the 52.9 lakh doses sent to Bengal, 22 lakh doses are still unused. Dil mange more, but Mamata Banerjee's Bengal mange more. Listen in to the charge by the Chief Minister, which the BJP calls completely unfounded.
কোভিডে ইনজেকশন দাও সাধারণ মানুষকে, আমাদের হাতে নেই, ওটা সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট পারমিশন না দিলে হবে না। আমি বলছি আমি টাকা দেব, আমি চাই জনগণকে বিনা পয়সায় কোভিডের ইনজেকশন সবাইকে দেব, তুমি আমাকে দাও। নরেন্দ্র মোদী দিচ্ছে না। আবার দেখুন কোভিড শুরু হয়েছে। আমরা তো কোভিডে আপনাদের ভালো রেখেছিলাম, আগামী দিনও ভালো থাকবেন, কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন আমি বলছি বিনা পয়সায় দেব, উনি দিচ্ছেন না। কেন দিচ্ছেন না? আমরা বলছি নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে ভাষণ কম দাও, আমরা টাকা দেব রাজ্য সরকার। আমি আগেই চিঠি লিখেছি ভোটের আগে, যাতে বলতে পারবে না আমি এখন বলছি। আমি 1 মাস আগে থেকে বলছি সাধারণ মানুষকে কোভিডের টিকা বিনা পয়সায় আমরা দেব। নরেন্দ্র মোদী বিহারে ভোটের সময় কি করেছিলেন? ভোট নেবার জন্য বিহারে গিয়ে বলেছিলেন, আজ থেকে 4 মাস আগে কি বলেছিলেন? বিহারে সবাইকে ভোটের পর কোভিড টিকা দেওয়া হবে। দেওয়া হয়েছে? দেওয়া হয়নি, মিথ্যে কথা বলা হয়েছে।
Well, while Mamata Banerjee was making these allegations, the Prime Minister was telling chief ministers and states to immediately correct the drawbacks of the planning and governance at the local level to reduce vaccine wastage. He ticked off Mamata Banerjee as well. Here's what the Prime Minister told the chief ministers earlier today.
हम एक दिन में 30 लाख लोगों को वैक्सीन करने के आंकड़े को भी एक बार तो पार कर चुके हैं, लेकिन इसके साथ ही हमें वैक्सीन डोसेज वेस्ट होने की समस्या को बहुत गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश में 10% से ज्यादा वैक्सीन वेस्टेज है। यूपी में भी वैक्सीन वेस्टेज करीब करीब वैसा ही है। वैक्सीन क्यों वेस्टेज हो रही है, इसकी भी राज्यों में समीक्षा होनी चाहिए, और मैं मानता हूं हर रोज शाम को इसकी मॉनिटरिंग की व्यवस्था रहनी चाहिए, और हमारी सिस्टम को प्रोएक्टिव लोगों को कांटेक्ट करके एक साथ इतने लोग मौजूद रहें ताकि वैक्सीन दे, वैक्सीन वेस्टेज न जाए, इसकी व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए।
So who's putting politics over the pandemic? That's the question and the debate. BJP TMC vaccine war. The debate coming up.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Dr. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins the panel. Tausif Ahmed, political analyst. But my first question goes to Riju Datta, spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress. And Riju Datta, I want to ask you, Mamata Banerjee had an opportunity to make her charges to the Prime Minister directly at the meeting that had been called by the Prime Minister for all chief ministers to discuss the problem states were facing. Why was she not there? Why would she want to use the vaccine issue for her political gains rather than trying to solve the problems for the people in Bengal?
Navika ji, you ask the tough questions, but you are also the person who speaks for us like nobody else can. So my question is, why this perennial Bengal bashing by Delhi? Mamata Banerjee could not attend the meeting because she has already given her time to the people who she was supposed to, where she addressed the rally. Same like UP CM Yogi Adityanath, because he was campaigning in Assam, he also couldn't attend the meeting. And I want to give some figures today, Navika ji. You know, as per the CoWIN app, and real-time data, Bengal is the best state in this entire country in terms of vaccine drive and delivery, where in Gujarat it is 39,000 vaccinations daily and total usage 20.
But you are raising the question of shortage of vaccines. The health ministry says 22 lakh vaccines are lying unused in Bengal. Use them, you will get more.
Can you give me 10 seconds, Navika ji? Let me finish the figures. Gujarat, 39,000 per day, so total usage 23.4 lakh. Haryana, 15,000, total usage only 6.2 lakh. Bengal per day vaccinations 1.2 lakh and total vaccinations done 26.7 lakh. But yes, we do have the 22 lakh stock, but we need to vaccinate everybody in the state because it's a poll-bound state and people are going to throng to the booth. We do not want an occurrence of Maharashtra and we are ready to pay for it. Why is the
22
center
lakh
denying us?
vaccines are there now. Riju Datta ji, you have 22
Madam,
lakh
the
vaccines.
population is 10
আছে না আপনার কাছে? আপনার কাছে ভ্যাকসিন তো আছে তো? কাঁদছে কেন? কাঁদছো কেন?
मैडम आपको आप समझिए 22 लाख
मैं समझ रही हूँ ना. मैं तो आपसे एक सवाल पूछा डॉक्टर पात्रा जी कि 22 लाख वैक्सीन. ओके, I'll ask both the questions to Dr. Sambit Patra. Dr. Sambit Patra, why is the BJP making mountain out of molehills if Mamata Banerjee has not attended the meeting today? Because Yogi Adityanath also had a rally in Assam and he also did not come. So why are you making it an issue? And on the issue of 22 lakhs, Riju Datta says, Dil mange more. De dijiye aur.
हम तो पैसे भी देंगे.
See, Navika, this is a very serious issue. Let me at the outset, in fact, congratulate India. Let me congratulate the Indian government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the record that this country has set today. As of today, 36% of COVID-19 vaccines that have been utilized across the globe is of India. And let me quote the figures across the globe. UK only 5.28%, USA only 24.25%, others all country together 34.02%, and India stands at 36.45%. And with this, look at the audacity of the opposition. Look at what Mamata Banerjee speaks. He abuses rather than being helpful, rather than coming out and supporting the whole system, despite the fact that West Bengal has not utilized all the supplies that have been given to them. As of today, 52.9 lakhs, of which 30.89 lakhs has been utilized. 22.01 lakh lies unutilized. So the other states have not complained. Did I shout, sir, in the middle of you, sir? Did the other states, in fact, complain that we are not getting the vaccines? No. Just a second. Just a second, sir. You have 22 lakh vaccine. Sir, did I shout, sir, in a poll-bound state also? You have failed to utilize 22 lakh vaccines.
You will complain about everything. Mamata Banerjee there says, Modi ji, dichen na vaccine amrake.
Yes, Modi ji and the central government denied.
No. We are ready to give you all the vaccine. Why are you not utilizing the vaccine? And why are you putting the people of Bengal in danger is my question. Despite the fact that we are ready to give you all the vaccine free of cost, why are you putting the lives of people of Bengal in danger? Because of politics, she wants to put the people of Bengal in danger. Because of her own ambition, she wants to put people of Bengal in danger. She should have used this 22 lakh vaccine to protect the people of Bengal. Why are you not using? Why are you not
Shehzad
using
Poonawala, Riju Datta has given the game away because he says, yes, we have 22 lakh vaccines unused lying with us. I said, if you finish that, you will get more. He says, हाँ, वो तो देना ही पड़ेगा. मोदी को देना ही पड़ेगा. And he knows कि मोदी जी दे भी देंगे. Then why is Mamata Banerjee screaming that Modi is not giving vaccines to Bengal?
Today I want to expose, one second, Riju, it's my turn. I want to expose Sambit Patra. Dr. Sambit Patra has lied on national TV. They have not given a single vaccine. The vaccine for Modi विरोध which is greater than Corona विरोध, इसका एक भी वैक्सीन संबित पात्रा की पार्टी ने रिजू दत्ता को नहीं दिया है. And रिजू दत्ता is the most honest spokesperson. He said हमारा पहले से मीटिंग तय था, तो पैंडेमिक के ऊपर political meet is more important. So I congratulate today Riju Datta who said for us politics is above pandemic, and I condemn Sambit Patra that not a single dose of Modi Virod wala vaccine has been sent to West Bengal, because of which Nusrat Jahan says that BJP is more khatarnak than CAA. Why haven't you given them vaccine for this bimari? Because of this, opposition ka leader Samajwadi Party says that ये BJP का vaccine है. Why haven't you given Sambit Patra vaccine for this bimari? Some people say impotency हो जाएगा. Why haven't you given Sambit Patra any vaccine for this bimari?
I want to ask you, what are you wanting? Wanting a vaccine or a cure for Modi Virod, or are you looking for a vaccine for Corona Virod? Because Corona Virod vaccine is there with you. 22 lakh have not been used.
Health Ministry officials of the government of West Bengal has said that they have a capacity to ramp up the vaccination site to about 5,000, for which they need to keep the stock of the vaccines. 5 lakh.
Don't worry.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Allow me to
Modi
speak.
Virod vaccine.
No, Mr. Patra, if you can please allow me to speak.
नहीं रिजू जी जनता
5 lakh.
No. That is Riju Datta speaking, sir. He is trying to give you vaccine.
I can't help it. Riju Datta is so charged up. He is also from the Trinamool Congress. If he wants to speak, I can't stop him. Riju Datta, problem क्या है?
Let me give out some facts and figures. 5 lakh per day vaccines can be given. 5 lakh vaccination can be given per day is what the health ministry official has said, for which they can ramp up the vaccination sites to 5,000, for which they are demanding more and more vaccine from the center. Unless the center fulfill the demand of the state government officials.
Dr. Patra, can you give them an assurance that the minute the ramping up happens, more vaccines will reach Bengal? Will you tell them? The Prime Minister would have told them at the meeting if Mamata Didi had been there.
They are only ramping up their lies. They are only ramping up misleading.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, yes, it is political season. Yes, it is election season. लड़ो, अपनी ideology पे लड़ो, vote के लिए लड़ो. But why are political parties fighting about facts of vaccines? The West Bengal government still has 22 lakh unused vaccines. Why not use them before blaming Modi and the central government? Is a question you need to think about.